So I'm making this video to teach people how to just use your mind and think about things and create things. So I was having a problem to finalize my camcorder mini DVD without the AC adapter because I didn't know for this camera you needed an ACD adapter to finalize the DVD, right? The mini DVD that comes right over here. So I have this camera, which is the Hitachi. Is the Hitachi. Is the Hitachi DVD. Is the GX32002. 08. So, I believe before we had the AC adapter, which is something that you put it right over here. So, you see right over here, let me see. Okay, you see here it says plus, and here it says minus, right? So, we had to use the trick or treat. We had to trick everything in life. So you see, let me see, oh my god. So you see, this is the plus and this is the minus. So you cannot cover, you see, you have 4 here. You cannot cover the plus and you cannot cover the minus. So we're gonna trick the camera or the system to believe that it has AC cord. So what we do is, you see plus and minus. You can see it there really clearly. So we gonna trick this camera by covering this two. These two we're gonna cover, right? We cannot cover the plus and the minus. You see this goal, the plus and the minus, we cannot cover it. This and this, we cannot cover those. We have to cover these two to make this the Hitachi camera to believe that it's an AC adapter. So what came to my mind is just to cover those two. So what I did was this. This is the regular plastic bag that you get in any supermarket. So what I did was I covered them. I put it right in the little space that each one has, so these little guys can go in. So what I did was that. So I'm gonna put the batteries in. Sorry about that. And you see, you just put it in. It's in. So we're gonna turn it on. You see, it's on. By the way, I don't have the DVD in there, but so we're gonna finalize. We're gonna click here, and you see I had noticed, but I promise you guys do that, and it's gonna automatically let you finalize the DVD. Trust me. I'm even surprised that I came up, that I find out about those things. So hope you guys enjoyed the video and I help you out.